Hey there, this video is going to guide you on how to use PortalGuard. PortalGuard is the central location in the IVC website where services like Canvas can be accessed. It can also work as a password reset tool. First, open your web browser. Navigate to the school's website, imperial.edu, and under the student section, click on PortalGuard single sign-on menu. Once the page is loaded, type in your IVC email address and password. If this is the first time logging into PortalGuard, you're going to need to enter a one-time passcode. You're going to receive this through a text message, email, or phone call, depending on your preferences. You can see the last two digits or part of the email address where the code will be sent on the top left-hand corner. If this is your personal computer, consider choosing the Remember Me option to make future logins easier. Once logged in, you're going to be at the Jump page, where you can access things like Canvas, Google Drive, and more. For more information or help, please visit the IVC website.